Hey guys, this is Jessica Washik here to show you a quick tutorial on Seaglass nails, which are a frostier version of jelly nails and really good for the colder months. All you'll need are false nail tips, nail glue, tinfoil, top coat, and color of your choice. And don't forget the matte top coat. I love OPIs. First, start by applying the clear nail tips onto your nails using the nail glue. I like using brush-on nail glue because it helps prevent bubbles and it's easy to apply. Once you've got your nail tips fully applied, you're going to cut and file to the length of your choice. Now, the next few steps are going to be pretty similar to jelly nails. You'll be adding your top coat onto tinfoil and then dabbing some of the cream polish onto that puddle of top coat. But the difference is in the polish. A cream polish is completely opaque. I'm using a color by Deborah Lippman called She Drives Me Crazy. Once both colors are on the tinfoil, we're going to just mix them together. You can already see the white undertones starting to come out. This is why it's so important to use a cream opaque polish. Now we'll just be applying that color mixture onto our nails and try playing around with layering. I'm using 2 coats here, but 3 or 4 could also do the trick. Once your color is applied, you'll be moving on to the matte top coat, but I suggest trying to top coat with a regular one first before adding the matte top coat because it adds a little bit of extra frostiness. This is the last step, so once the matte top coat has dried, you'll have beautiful Seaglass nails. One of my favorite things about this look is how the color transforms in different lighting. Thank you for watching, and if you try this look, please tag me. I would absolutely love to see it. Bye!